for the crayons. See if you can find them in that room. They've got to be in there somewhere. Come here. Can you walk over here on the carpet? Is it too hard for you? It's too hard for you. I think you need to be on the tile. I don't know. You seem to be moving now. Come this way. Come this way. Here she comes. Here she comes. Where's Mila? Where's Mila? There she is. You found him? Great.